Last class we learned about the importance of a Samachar Patra, that is newspaper, why it is so important and how it has come. Where it has come, tell me? In India when it has come?
In
1753, No. 1780. 1780. Bengal Gazette was the first paper in 1780. Then other Rajasthan, Mangalore, then Mangalore Samachar, Udant, Marthanda, Hindi and Kannada. This and all comes in 1843. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is when the Samachar Patra has come. And see, the last word. So in this, the time has gone. When time is like we are seeing not only the Desh Videsh ki Samachar Patra nahi, balki we can also know health issues, health news, sports news, then weather report, business report, then what else? Sanskritic, cultural report, and advertisement, matrimony. Okay, this and all. Now we can see all the types of news, because news is not a plural one. News is a singular one only. News we can see, we can hear, we can read. We can read by that. Okay. Even though we have so many modern equipped devices, but still we get pleasure reading. Okay, with the hand, paper holding in the hand, we get pleasure reading that, right? Yes or no? For all ages we can see this newspaper. For everybody, for employment also, we can they can use this paper. Okay. So आजकल मेरे अंदर समय समय पर बड़े बड़े लेखकों की रचनाएं की भी प्रकाशित होने लगी है. आजकल nowadays, आजकल means what? आजकल means nowadays what is happening? Big writers, famous writers are writing something on me, writing some articles on me. Okay, saying that विशेषांकों में जीवनी, कविता, एकांकी, नाटक, कहानी, आलोचना, स्वास्थ्य, फिल्म संबंधी सूचनाएं भी प्रकट होती है. I said told you, film entertainment news is स्वास्थ्य, आलोचना means advices, okay, कहानी, नाटक, everything you can see in that newspaper. Okay. Then also what we see here, इन सबके अलावा लोग मेरे कारण वैज्ञानिक आविष्कारों में भी परिचित होते हैं. So what is the modern equipment come out in the market? What is the modern devices, modern equipment has come? How the NASA has given NASA has left one rocket. How India has left the rocket. From the rocket, what we get? What are the uses of these rockets and all? Okay. So what is happening in the field of scientific? Okay, scientists what they are doing? The field of invention, discovery, okay. These are the medicines in devices in everything we can see, we can know by this newspaper. यदि संग्रह की ओर ध्यान दे तो आवश्यक विशेषों की कतराने भी आपने अपने पास रख सकते हैं. Okay, so we can if we find anything useful, okay, any the field of medicine, the field of anything you can see, no, in the paper, we can cut and we can have one sangraha andre, no, one collection, alva. We can, it's called what, paper cuttings. If you find something new, something useful to you, you can cut it and have in our paste in our book, or we can keep it the alva. This can be. आज मैं व्यक्ति के जीवन का एक अभिन्न अंग बन गया हूँ. So now I have become the main part of the human beings. Man use me very consciously using me. अभी से आप भी मुझे पढ़ने लगोगे तो आगे चलकर जीवन में मैं आपकी बहुत सहायता करूँगा. What he says lastly, if you start reading the paper from now itself, one day I will help you. How it can help you?
In general knowledge.
Yes, we can able to know so many things in the newspaper. We can know the president of some country, the ministers of some some field, like who is the education minister, who is the railway minister, who is the external affairs minister. Alma, we can able to know it. We can read. Just think that okay, our minister is this and that. When we hear, we forget it. When we hear, it is gone. When you see, when you read and when you see the name of that person, that will be, because image alvado. Okay, that is the image. Image vandu, it will be stuck in our mind for a longer time than we hear. Okay, so the image, that person's photo with the name, then when we see, okay, we don't forget for a longer time. Okay, so we can date, okay, something has gone, like anything happened, date, okay, we forget the dates and all, but when you see, when you remember in the exam time, something I heard, the picture will come immediately, where you can test it. Just hear the difference in them. Okay, you can't forget that sound, that names and forget when you hear it, but when you see and pictures when you recall in the exams, it will come out. Okay, that is there. It is very important when you read the news. That's why it is said in the schools also that, see, in all the schools, what they means they are doing is the entrance Vidyalaya, when you come inside the school, in the left side, they'll give one notice board, like one notice board, reading board at the time. They'll make they'll keep the paper there. Children will come like English and then other many sports, they'll keep 3-4 papers. Children will come, stand there, turn pages, they just read and they'll go. First period, who are the teacher? They'll ask them what you learned. Tell me some new words you learned in the newspaper. Okay, that is all happening. So that is a good habit of reading. It improves your habit of the reading and all. Understood? Yes. So, एक बार आपका और मेरा रिश्ता बन जाए तो वह जिंदगी पर टूटेगा नहीं. If we are related, who? Viewers and ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಪತ್ರ ಅದು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಓದೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ 2 days 3 days ಓದ್ರಿ. 4th day ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೀ ಕೆಲಸನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. 1 day 2 day 3 day ಓದ್ರಿ. 4th day morning you searching where the newspaper. First by you just search for the newspaper only. So ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ If you read it, no, it becomes that not addicting. Because it's a good habit. Good habits are not addicted. Okay, addiction means forcibly. Okay, you don't want, but still you are going into that. It's addiction. Habit, good habits are you pleasure, you find pleasure, you feel happy when you do something. It's called a good habits. Okay. चलिए आज से यहाँ आदत डाल दीजिए. चलो, let's make it a habit from today onwards. Understood? Let's end of the lesson. Then, yes. First, we'll look out the shabda meanings and see. Just keep your children wearing mask. Also, you just talk. Hissa. Hissa. Bhag. Pakshik. Pakshik. I told you Pakshik है 15 दिन में एक बार. In English, in English we will say 1 fortnight.
15 दिन के बाद छोड़ने वाला.
Okay, Pakshik है once in 15 days. That is. Okay, listen. Pakshik means once in 15 days. Also, we have, we can say, fortnight. What is it? Fourth night. Fourth, F-O-R-T, fortnight. That means once in F-O-R-T. Okay. Understood? Fortnight. That is 15 days once. You get the papers and all. Then मित वेई कम खर्च वाला आविष्कार खोज विश्व संसार संदेह वाहन समाचार पहुंचाने वाला. ओके, कतरने कटिंग्स रिश्ता संबंध. टेल मी द आंसर्स. एक वाक्य में उत्तर दीजिए. अभ्यास अली. किन्हीं दो समाचार पत्रों के नाम बताइए. नाउ टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड डेक्कन हेराल्ड और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस. यस. हिंदी का पहला समाचार पत्र कौन सा है? समाचार पत्र अंदर नानो उदंत मार्तांड. नेक्स्ट. प्राचीन काल में राजा महाराजा संदेश कैसे भेजते थे? कबूतरों से. समाचार पहुंचाने के नवीन साधन कौन कौन से हैं? How can we send the news? आधुनिक प्राचीन अभी नवीन nowadays. Telegram, letter, email. Okay, then WhatsApp. Yes, girls. Then कन्नड़ का पहला समाचार. कन्नड़ का Mangalore. Yes, we'll go to the fourth Roman. Fourth Roman. Listen. Open your mouth now.
सही
I'll send you out. I'll see who will. I'll send you out. So let's see that phrase also. So the fourth Roman. सही शब्दों के शब्द चुनकर लिखिए। रेडियो से समाचार डाल सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं। दूरदर्शन में हम समाचार डैश एंड डैश देख सुन सकते हैं। समाचार पत्र डाल सकते हैं। सही और गलत। समाचार पत्र ज्ञान का महंगा साधन है।
नहीं मैम गलत
महंगा
महंगा मतलब
ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧನ ಅದು cheapest ಅಲ್ವಾ so गलत है प्राचीन काल में कबूतरों के द्वारा रेडियो से हम समाचार पढ़ सकते हैं रेडियो से हम समाचार पढ़ सकते हैं रोज समाचार पढ़ने से हमारा ज्ञान बढ़ता है नेक्स्ट दोनों खंडों को जोड़कर एक शब्द बनाइए सत्यवान राइट कंबाइंड सत्यवान पेंसिल गुणवान बलवान दयावान ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಆಚೆ ಬಾ Yes, now the puzzle here. Seventh Roman puzzle is there. मैं कौन? Who am I? Who am I? घर में तो मैं कली, बाहर में तो मैं खिली.
This only ma'am.
Kali andre no, I'm a bud. Okay, when I go out, I bloom. Kali andre no, I'm just Kali. Kali means bud. When I go out, I'll just bloom anta. So yeah, who's that? Okay.
छाता
छतरी और छाता छतरी और
छाता
नेक्स्ट दाना दाना दुखना दाना दुनका खाता हूँ मैं भी पाला जाता हूँ शांति दूध सब कहते हैं पत्र भी देने जाता हूँ That is I eat a small
दाने
dane. Okay. I was grains. Okay. Then that is people will
own me
own me or
Pet me.
pet. They keep me as a pet.
Yes.
They keep me as a pet. Shantika means what?
Very.
Peace. Sign of peace. Kabutar is a sign of peace. Then patra bhi dene jata hu. I am the messenger, or I send them
Message.
letters. Patra. Kabutar aita. Yes. अंदर It is already written. ज्ञान सस्ता
महंगा
सरल सरल
कठिन
मुश्किल की अल्लाह कल Listen, one word can be used for many types. Okay, listen here. Though is there, no? This though is used for two. Okay? Two. And also give. Okay? Give 2 rupees for her. No.
उससे आप 2 रुपए
उसे 2 रुपए दो. दे दो. Okay? मुझे एक किताब दो. मुझे एक किताब दो. So दो is used for giving and also 2 rupees. The same way kal also. Kal bando for can say for tomorrow also for yesterday also. Yesterday also. कल मैं गया था ಅಂದ್ರೆ कल yesterday. कल मैं जाऊंगा ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ
You should write here or down, man.
Down left right. Ma'am, like this left right. Left right.
ಡೌನ್
You should write down or up, man.
Down left right.
Is that A? For math, you have two meanings. मत ಅಂದ್ರೆ नो मत जाओ मत आओ मत दो ಅಂದ್ರೆ मत नो not to do okay मत करो yes ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ मतदान वोटिंग मतदान ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ
कल मत करके जाना मैं मत का अलग छोटे होगा
मत just write a message for something it is on only see off